Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a brand new 2023 Alta 3100KXT 365 Xtreme Edition. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what it's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2023 Alta 3100KXT Xtreme 365 Edition. So this is a new lineup that the Alta brand has come out with. Similar floor plan to some other bunkhouse models. However, we have 101-inch wide body. We have a 96-inch tall ceiling height here. Slide outs that you don't have to worry about standing up hitting your head in. These are basically kind of like fifth wheel slide outs. I mean, I'm standing here and I'm just barely touching the slide out ceiling here. Really nice setup here. You have all vinyl floor throughout the RV and matching vinyl floor on your slide floors as well. This is a triple insulated floor. You have 3-inch thick sidewalls, 5-inch thick foam block insulated roof, dual pane windows standard on the RV. This thing is really going for that 365 year-round use kind of scenario. So definitely a huge upgrade in the overall insulation factor of the RV. All right, let's get into some details here on the actual unit. So we have a theater seat here, little cup holders and storage in the middle. It is a manual theater seat. Now this is the prototype unit that you're seeing here, so you might see some changes on the one that go into full production. You have booth dinette right here, and their booth dinette does have an electric outlet USB charger port down there. You also have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. That table can be used outside or inside, and then it will go down into bed mode for extra sleeping. Over here on the slide, this is extended a little more than some of the other models on doing this floor plan, and they gave you more storage space here by extending the slide a little bit. So again, full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. Lots of pantry space here to stash your goodies. Let's turn around here and look at our kitchen area. So you have 4 drawers there, some storage space underneath, a countertop extension that flips up and down here. There is a propane leak detector down below that. We have the large GE 4-burner gas stovetop. You usually don't find this stove until you get into actual high-end fifth wheels. Look at how big the refrigerator is for a travel trailer. So you got the Everchill 12-volt refrigerator on top, freezer on bottom. Large microwave as well. GE matching appliance here. And again, you usually don't find these large ones until you get into fifth wheels. Lots of cabinet height as well. Due to the taller ceiling heights, they're able to make your cabinets much taller as well. Nice big wide window there overlooking the campsite area of your RV. This unit has 2 ACs on it. They're 15,000 BTU ACs with heat pumps. So you have your propane furnace and 2 heat pumps built in. You can see 1 AC right there. Little roof vent and fan there as well. Spinning around looking into the bedroom, we have another AC right here as well. While we're looking this way, let's check out the bedroom. So again, we have lots of cabinet space in here, taller cabinet space as well. 4 drawers on each side. You have electric outlet and USB charger port on each side as well. Now this bed will raise up. It has shock assist on it. And even under the bed down here, we have again some more drawer space just kind of hidden underneath it here. So you got a couple drawers there, little shelf space there, and it's even notched out. So if you have a pet and you want to put a dog bed or cat bed or something underneath of there, you could do so. You'll also notice the heat ducts are coming out the cabinets and stuff. They're not coming through the floor. The window on each side of the bed here does open. You have a big sliding door here for privacy. AC controls over here. There's also TV hookups up there if you want to put a TV up there. Pretty good amount of floor space to be able to wake up in the morning and get dressed and maneuver around. You have the electric fireplace, which again is a fancy electric space heater. So you got heat pumps, fireplace, and propane furnace to try and help you keep this thing warm. Back here, nice big wide bunks. And again, due to that extra ceiling height, you have extra height in each bunk. So it doesn't feel quite as claustrophobic for the kids. Both bunk windows do open. There is an electric outlet and USB charger port back there, and same thing back here. Now this part's a little different. This part raises up, and the kids have 4 dresser drawers down here. Full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. There's an inspection panel back there as well. Now I do believe from what they're telling me, the ones that go into full production, the ladder design is going to be a little bit different. Also in the bedroom, the master bedroom back there, they are going to change up the cabinet doors a little bit on the ones directly above the bed. They are going to, I think, go to the kind of black glass, kind of like what looks like that one right there. Pretty good sized bathroom here. You have a dual medicine cabinet set up here. Decent space as far as counter space in there. And storage, porcelain foot flush toilet. A decent sized shower, as you can see in the picture popping up here. We have a couple guys standing in there just checking it out. Vent fan up there, so you have AC and heat in there as well. Now here is another rare feature to find in a lot of travel trailers. You have a gigantic closet, or you can use this for a washer dryer. There's a motion light in here, if I can make it come on. There we go. All right, so right here you have a lot of room. You could do a washer dryer, push it back against the wall, and still have room in here to kind of do things. But right there you got electric outlet, your water and drains and everything. But also you have these adjustable shelves here. So we have 3 shelves up through there. So you can kind of set it up and adjust it as you want. But it goes way up there, and again you can see that motion light up there. But that area is kind of tucked right back in behind your TV entertainment area right there. Slide button, awning in and out button, awning light, some accent lighting, interior light switch, monitor panels here, another tank monitor here. So you have kind of a little central hookup area right here. And then right here, you're also prepped for some Wi-Fi control type of stuff. Just another 12-volt outlet down there. But overall, a pretty cool new setup here for you people that are looking to kind of extended stay somewhere and be able to use this in more extreme temperatures. Not only is that insulation going to help you in the cold, but it's also going to help you a lot in the heat as well. Having those 3-inch walls will definitely be a nice energy saver there. All right, we're going to head outside. I want to show you what it looks like outside real quick, and then we're going to close it up for you at the end. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Alta 3100KXT Xtreme 365 edition here. Starting on the outside, we have a white fiberglass exterior attached to an Azdel composite material, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewalls. These are 3-inch thick sidewalls where a normal RV is only 2 inches or 1.5 inches. So you have a much better insulated sidewall. Deep tint, safety glass, dual pane windows. That's a huge improvement there, having that dual pane glass compared to a traditional single pane travel trailer. A lower black metal skirting along the bottom. Now right here you do have some pass-through storage area. There's a light in here, electric outlet in here. See some of that aluminum tube framing there. The baggage door is a little bit thicker, better insulated, slam lock. Also has the magnetic catches on it. Now you can see some of the framing right down there. The front section has a drop frame on it, giving you taller storage height right there. So that again is another improvement that you don't find on traditional travel trailers. You have power front jacks and power rear stabilizer jacks as well. We'll get a little more into that when we get to the other side. Power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV. You have adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, and you have manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. 2 outdoor speakers right here. It is a double axle unit, currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires, aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. The More Ride entrance step here, rated for 500 pounds, doesn't shake and rock and roll the RV as bad when the kids are running in and out. And then just back in behind there, they also have kind of a little toolbox. So when the steps are flipped up, you can get into that, keep maybe some of your little dirty tools there, maybe a jack or, tire wrench or something. The pet-friendly leash latch holder right there as well. Large folding entry handle. And then you can see some advertisement stickers there as far as the extended climate package, the Azdel, the Care Camps charity there as well. There is a gas line hookup down here at the bottom, so you can do a portable grill or something outside if you want to. So you'll notice it is much taller than your traditional travel trailer. You've seen that extra height and stuff when I was inside there. Couldn't even touch the ceiling. This is a 101-inch wide body travel trailer. So you're getting a wider body and taller ceiling height. That taller ceiling height also again gave you that taller slide out height as well. On the back here you have your spare tire mounted here. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. They're currently using the Suburban on-demand water heater. You can see there is a nice arch to that roof. Again, that is a 5-inch thick foam block insulated. You also have your prepping for a rear observation camera if you're going to travel with this thing. Ladder on the side here will actually come out and allow you to get up and down onto your roof so you can do some inspection up there. Very important to get up there from time to time to inspect your roof seams and seals and stuff. 50 amp detachable power cord hooks up right here. Black tank flush to clean out your toilet system. You do have a light in case you got to come over here and do some work at nighttime. And then you can also see here the back jacks. You'll notice there's 2 buttons. One for each side, so you can kind of control your jacks individually, where most brands you can't do that on. Just in front of your slide, you're going to have the buttons for the front jacks. There's a galley tank dump right here, another handle, and then a freshwater tank drain underneath of there as well. If you have to use your portable water, you can. Up here, on the other side of the pass-through storage, you have kind of a docking station. So there's electric outlet, motion light in here, cable inlets, battery disconnect, hot and cold outside utility shower, fresh water connection, city water connection. The unit has a 200-watt solar panel on it as well, and you have your solar charge controller right here. Some jack handles there. Again, thicker baggage doors for better insulation. Slam locks, and they're metal instead of plastic. Right here you have some important informational stickers here. So right here we're basically giving us VIN numbers, gross vehicle weight. This comes in at a maximum weight, fully loaded, if you load it all the way up, 11,600 pounds, 605 pounds. That's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that number. Here's what it actually weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line. 8,754 pounds with a length of 35 feet 6 inches. You have ST 225 75R 15 E-rated tires. And then you have 80 PSI cold. Very important to keep up with that PSI. Two 30-pound propane tanks here on the front. We have the power front jack as well. You can see what it looks like here, actually attached to a truck and with a old school weight distribution hitch system on here. It's got a little safety chain and power cable holder right there. Couple batteries back there. Has a heavy-duty 3/4 fiberglass front cap. You can also see those kind of glow LED lights that come down through there. Lower diamond plate metal. But overall, a really, really nice, cool look. All right, we're gonna head back inside. I wanna show you what it looks like closed up real quick. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back inside the brand new 2023 Alta 365 Xtreme Edition here, the 3100K TS. And I just want to show you what it looks like all closed up. So when you are ready to close things up, very important, make sure your floor is clean so you don't run stuff over and damage your floor. Make sure your countertop extension's down, your cabinets are all latched into place. Same thing with your bedroom door, your bedroom drawers and cabinets and stuff. Make sure it's all closed up nice and neat. You come right in here to your slide button. Now when this slide comes in, it's going to tilt upward a little bit. You can kind of see it moving there. So basically what it's doing, it's sliding in, coming up at an angle just over your main subfloor and coming straight on in. This is a 12-volt powered slide, so you basically just have to have a really good battery charged up to run your slide in and out. All right, so slide is now all the way closed. I can still come in here, get to my refrigerator, get to my stove and my sink and all that type of stuff. If I'm a skinny enough person, I could squeeze through here. I'm not going to try it, but a smaller person could definitely probably try to squeeze through there. I got full access to my bunks for the kids area back there, bathroom, all that type of stuff. All right, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch my RV video. Really do appreciate it. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country.